Hey, it's Orlando the Man. I'm here with another quick video. Got this package today. I ordered it last week from Liberty Coins. Alright, let me pause the video so I can open up the package. I'll get back with you. Alright guys, I'm back. This is what I got. 2025 Year of the Snake. And again, this is from Liberty Coins. I paid $4.37. And they said, excuse me, get that phone! I'm leaving this in there. So I paid $4.37. They said it was random mint, but it was, you were supposed to get a 1/10 ounce 9999 gold coin. Random mint, random condition. And I added in my notes that according to FTC, if a seller adds picture, you supposed to get the item that's in the picture. And I've been knowing, people been saying, you know, they've been getting Cook's Islands and all that kind of stuff like that. So that's why I put it in there. And I just wanted to see, what would I get? They gave me a BU, brand new 2025. So, people, put in your notes. They won't give you no bull crap. All right, peace.